Hello YouTube, Senator Silver here. Going to do a quick video of some of my Royal Canadian Mint collection. We'll start off with the Wildlife series. And I like the Royal Canadian Mint because they are 4 nines fine silver. We start off with the 2011 Grizzly and the 2011 Timberwolf. 2012 Cougar, 2012 Moose, and we have the 2013 Antelope, and finally the 2013 Bison. So that's the Royal Canadian Mint Wildlife series. And I also have the full collection of the Royal Canadian Mint Birds of Prey. We start off with the 2014 Falcon, 2014 Bald Eagle, 2015 Great Horned Owl, that's my favorite of this series, and finally the 2015 Red-Tailed Hawk. So these are two full sets, the Wildlife series and the Birds of Prey. Hope you enjoyed it.